in its most purest, most rawest form, flow almost flawless, most hardest, most honest, known artist. Chip off the old block, but old Doc is back. Looks like Batman brought his own Robin. Oh God, Saddam's got his own Laden, with his own private plane, his own pilot. Set the blow polish, dome room doors off the hinges. Oranges, peach, pears, plums, oranges. Yeah, here I come, I'm inches away from you, dear, fear none. Hip hop is in a state of 911, so let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around, what is this? Must be a circus in town, we shut the shit down on these clowns, and I get a witness. Hell yeah! Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around, what is this? Must be a circus in town, we shut the shit down on these clowns, and I get a witness. Hell yeah! We gotta move fast, gotta perform miracles. G Willikers, Dre, only bad syllables. Look at all the bullshit that goes on in Gotham when I'm going. Time to get rid of these rap criminals. So skip to your loo while I do what I do best. You ain't even impressed no more. You used to it.
Yeah, boy.
Puta merda, você é zoeiro mesmo, hein, cara? Você manja da zoeira, hein? Puta que pariu, nossa. Nossa, agora eu fui humilhado com essa zoeira sua aí. Puta, você realmente sabe usar o humor para construir uma crítica, para fazer com que as pessoas pensem, para fazer com que as pessoas pesquisem a respeito. Puta merda, meu.
Ó, vai tomar no teu cu, hein, maluco. Vai tomar no teu cu, hein, filha da puta. Vai te fuder, vai se fuder. Vai pra casa do caralho, hein. Eu te conheço nessa porra. Eu sei quem tu é nessa porra. Eu sei onde tu mora nessa porra. Tu já me falou comigo nessa porra. Vai tomar no cu, porra.
Let's fucking go!